the boulder at night. We can talk up tomorrow. I'll tell her things that I want to do. But girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say that you are around every single night and day? But when is it easy telling someone we're through? Oh girl, help me tell